Hello everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making guacamole, which is actually guaca sauce, mole meaning sauce. So here we go. Alright, I basically have everything pre-chopped already. Now what we're going to need is some garlic, about 2 cloves. This is about one large jalapeno, cilantro. We also have some onion, about you don't need that much onion. I used half of a small onion, some diced tomatoes, and we're gonna need 1 lime and 1 avocado and some salt. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is cut the lime in half. Get some more juice out of it this way. Cut it in half. For this, I'm only gonna need half, not that much. Here's my my lemon juicer, my whatever citric juicer. So I'm gonna put half of the juice of the lime. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the garlic in with the lime juice and the jalapeno in with the lime juice. Okay. So now what I want to do is kind of stir it up. What this is going to do is it's going to take the flavor out of the garlic and it's going to go into the lime. Basically it's the acidity of the lime. It's going to take the flavors out of these 2 components and it's going to make the whole dish a little bit more spicy and garlicky. I definitely want it more spicy. I like spicy stuff. Alright, so that's basically done there. Now I'm going to cut the avocado. Basically just going to cut it in half around this way. And that's how that's done. Now I'm going to remove the pit. Got it out. But it's pretty good. You could tell if it's ripe by the softness. Seemed pretty ripe to me. I'll let it sit out for like a couple of days. Now what I'm doing is scoring the inside of the avocado. So when I take it out, it's going to be easier to handle. I score it this way, and I'm going to do it this way, vertically and horizontally. Be careful not to cut any fingers off. Okay. Now I'm going to put that into the bowl. Actually squeeze a little lemon on top of it, or lime rather. You could use lemon in this dish. It doesn't have to necessarily be lime, but that's traditionally what's used. And I'm putting the lime on it so it doesn't turn brown. Alright, now I'm gonna put it in, just spoon it in basically. See how easily it comes out. And it basically comes out all in these little cubes because I cut it up. Alright, now this basically you could discard. I'm going to put the rest of the lime in there. And now just basically emptying the rest of the ingredients inside. So I got my onion, tomatoes, cilantro. Now you could technically just eat it this way, but what I like to do is to actually crush it all up and to put a little salt on it. It's definitely wise to put a little salt on there. It's kind of unsalty right now. You don't want to put too much. You could always add more later. Right there I put about 3 pinches. Got my masher here. This is pretty much a potato masher. You don't have to use this, you could use a fork, but this makes it a lot easier. So now what I'm doing is just mashing it like making mashed potatoes. It already smells real good. Smell that garlic already. Alright, and that's pretty much it right there. I just stir it up a little bit more. Right now I'm the chef, so I gotta taste it. It's perfect. So that's basically it right there. That's my guacamole. And there it is.